Well, I wanted the Dominator, and then I was looking at like illustrations of tanks, of military tanks of the future, and some of the designs for future tanks were really cool and promising, and I built off of that.
I had been sent picture after picture from Rob of what the Dominator was, but it was in drawing form. And when I turned up and saw it and then drove it is phenomenal.
In the end, we created this design of a very large vehicle, a real monster of a car, and it is a character in the film.
Right after I was hired, I don't think it was 15 minutes, I got a phone call. There's Rob Cohen on the phone. And he said, Shelley, we're going to be shooting a lot of scenes in our Dominator, in our storm chasing vehicle, and we have whatever it was, 30 pages of dialogue inside this vehicle. So that was a pretty good challenge.
Then I read this thing, these LED screens, and we tested them, and they're going to work amazingly well.
We sent a friend of mine down to Florida, and a large, I think it was a Category 4 hurricane, was about to hit the next day. So they landed, and they were one of the last flights in, and I believe they had a rig. It's an array of cameras that's in a 360 that they can kind of stick on top of a rental car, which is what they did.
Really feels so much more natural, and the light looks amazing.
To me, it was very important to have the storm light, permeate into this environment of the Dominator, and by being able to light with actual images of the hurricane, we got that very natural feel in there.